This is a job we just completed. That is a large oak leaf holly with some white caladiums, boxwood edge around the front. And those are 2 boxwood globe bushes. This is more of a formal layout. And as we come around here, you'll notice that's a Katrina iris in the background. This job is approximately, in plants, $2,500 in plants alone. That does not include the labor and everything else, mulch, but a plant budget of $2,500 will get you something like this. And then also we put a steel edge border around the front.